In a world saturated with elusive financial promises, imagine effortlessly earning $5,500 per month as a student. Brace yourself for a revelation that defies conventional wisdom and unlocks the secrets to financial success. Today, we'll unravel the blueprint for achieving a consistent income of $5,500 every month as a student. From identifying the right vehicle for financial growth to navigating the nuances of wealth creation, we're delving deep into the three essential components that form the backbone of this transformative journey. Expect insights, strategies, and a roadmap to financial independence, all condensed into the next few minutes. Stick around, and you'll gain not just the knowledge to attain this monthly financial milestone, but also the tools to secure a sustainable future. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with actionable steps, ensuring your path to financial prosperity is not just a dream, but a tangible reality. Your financial revolution starts now. Components for success. The right vehicle. All right, buckle up, peeps. We're diving into the cool zone, where we talk about finding the right vehicle for making that sweet $5,500 per month as a student. Imagine this journey as picking the perfect ride for your financial adventure. So first off, we've got to know the deal with businesses spitting out free cash flow. It's like having a money-making machine that keeps churning out the good stuff. You don't want a ride that's all flashy, but doesn't get you anywhere, right? Now, let's zoom into two types of rides in the financial town: the traditional e-commerce models and the service-based businesses. E-commerce is like having a virtual store, and you're hustling to sell stuff. On the flip side, service-based businesses are like being a wizard of skills. You're offering your awesome talents, and people pay you for it. Here's the plot twist. Service-based businesses have two flavors. One is high perceived value. It's like everyone agrees your thing is top-notch. The other is leverage. You're not doing all the heavy lifting alone. You've got a team like a superhero squad. Imagine selling fancy glasses online, e-commerce style, versus being the go-to person for creating epic YouTube thumbnails, service-based coolness. It's not just about making money. It's about making money and having people recognize your awesomeness. So, when choosing your money vehicle, think about whether you want to be a store owner or the superhero of skills. Choose wisely. Building a cash flow machine. Now let's talk moolah. Ever heard of free cash flow? It's like the VIP section of the money world. Businesses throwing parties in there are the real deal. See, it's not just about making money. It's about making that sweet cash you can use. Imagine having a money-making friend who's also generous. That's free cash flow for you. Now, let's get into the business zone. You've got your traditional e-commerce. It's like setting up a virtual store, right? You're selling things, making bucks, classic stuff. But hold up. There's another player in town, and it's the service-based businesses. Think of them as the rock stars of the money stage. Instead of selling products, you're selling your skills, your talents. You're the show. Now here's where it gets spicy. Service-based businesses have two cool flavors. First up, high perceived value. It's like everyone nods and says, "Yep, this is the good stuff." The other flavor is leverage. Picture this. You're not the solo hero, you've got a team backing you up like a squad of financial superheroes. So choosing your money-making path is like picking between a pop-up shop or becoming the go-to wizard for something awesome. Are you the seller of cool things, or are you the cool thing? The money adventure is real, my friends. Pick your role wisely. Stretching out the timeline. So you're on this money journey, right? First things first, don't go thinking you'll hit the jackpot overnight. We're not in a magical fairy tale. We're in the real world. Now picture this. The road to financial awesomeness is like climbing a mountain. You start at the bottom, and the peak? That's your big financial goal, like hitting $5,500 a month. But here's the deal. It's not an elevator, it's more like a staircase. You take it step by step. Dedication is your trusty sidekick in this journey. Imagine Batman without Robin. It just doesn't work. You've got to put in the work, grind it out, and show that mountain you mean business. Timing is like having a secret superpower. You launch a business at the right moment, and bam, it's like catching a wave. And yeah, luck is in the mix too. Sometimes things just click, like getting that perfect combo in a video game. But here's the sweet part. Look at the trajectory. It's not a straight line. It's a journey with twists and turns. Maybe you hit a plateau, but that's cool. It's part of the adventure. Dedication, timing, and luck, they're your crewmates on this financial spaceship. So, stay strapped in, aim for the stars, and enjoy the ride. Staying power. We wrap this up with some mind-blowing insights about making $5,500 your baseline, not the finish line. You've hustled, you've hit that monthly goal, but guess what? We're not popping the confetti just yet, because this is where the real game begins. So first off, making $5,500 a baseline is like leveling up in a game. It's not the final boss, it's just your new starting point. Now, you gotta own it. This is your financial identity we're talking about. It's not just about making money, it's about making it a part of who you are. It's like saying, yep, I'm the $5,500 a month kind of awesome. But hey, it's not just about making, it's about keeping and growing. Think of it as planting a money tree. You nurture it, you water it, that's maintaining. And guess what? It starts sprouting more money, that's multiplying. It's not a one-time deal, it's an ongoing process. Financial success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. Now let's talk about expectations. You're not aiming for the moon, you're aiming for the galaxy. It's about dreaming big, setting those goals high, and knowing that $5,500 is just a pit stop on your journey to financial greatness. Making $5,500 your baseline isn't the end game. It's the prologue to your financial saga. Keep hustling, keep growing, and let's turn those financial dreams into a cosmic reality. Now that we've navigated through the galaxy of financial wisdom, and now it's time to wrap up this mind-blowing journey. Making $5,500 a month is not the end game. Think of it as leveling up in the grand game of life. It's not the final boss. It's your new starting point, your financial identity, embrace it. But here's the real magic. It's not just about making that dough. It's about tending to it like a precious garden. Making $5,500 your baseline is like planting a money tree. You nurture it, water it, and watch it sprout more cash. It's not a one-time deal. It's an ongoing process, a marathon to financial glory. Now let's talk expectations, fam. We're not aiming for the moon. We're shooting for the entire galaxy. Dream big, set those goals sky high, and remember, $5,500 is just a pit stop on your journey to financial greatness. So, as we wrap up, making $5,500 your baseline isn't the grand finale. It's the prologue to your financial saga. Keep hustling, keep growing, and let's turn those financial dreams into a cosmic reality. The universe is yours to conquer. Thanks for watching. Until next time.